As you know, I enjoy helping people. During my 30 plus years as a small business owner, I always started with what is best for my customer. It has been the same in my real estate profession. As I build generational wealth with real estate investments, I want to help you be successful creating wealth and income with real estate investments. There are three main ways I can help you with real estate investing. One, I can find the right investment that meets your buy box of real estate investing. If you need help defining your criteria for real estate investing, I can help build your buy box. Next, we can do a joint venture. That is where we own property together. More on that later. And third is you can join in a syndication as a limited partner. Here's a little more insights into how I can help as your investment real estate broker. If you are considering an investment property, I can help you clarify your goals, be that steady cash flow, long-term appreciation, or a value add opportunity. I can help translate those goals into clear buying criteria. From there, I will research neighborhoods, comparable sales, and realistic rent ranges to identify properties that align with your return expectations and risk tolerance. When you find the right fit, I will guide the offer strategy and due diligence period so your decision is well supported. A real estate joint venture is a structured partnership where two or more people team up on a specific property or project, with each person bringing something valuable to the table. That can be the capital for the down payment, strong credit for financing, deal finding and negotiation, project management, or day-to-day operations. The key is that it is typically deal specific, not an open-ended partnership, and everything is clearly defined upfront in writing. Who owns what percentage, who is responsible for what, how decisions are made, how expenses are handled, and how profits and potential losses are split. A joint venture can help you get into a better property, pursue a value-add project, or build a rental portfolio faster than going solo. It can also spread risk. One person isn't carrying the entire financial and operational load. It creates more accountability around the plan, timelines, and exit strategy. Refinance, sell, or hold. We can do a joint venture to reposition your current real estate portfolio to meet your future goals. A real estate syndication is a group investment where a sponsor, the general partner, finds the deal, arranges financing, and manages the project, while investors come in as limited partners. As a limited partner, your role is primarily to contribute capital, like part of the down payment and reserves, in exchange for an ownership interest in the property. You are typically not involved in day-to-day decisions or management, and your liability is generally limited to the amount you invest, meaning you are not personally on the hook for the property's debt the way an owner/operator might be. That structure is what makes syndications more hands-off and potentially passive. Instead of sourcing deals, coordinating renovations, dealing with tenants, or managing property managers, you are relying on the sponsor's team, my team, to execute the business plan. In return, limited partners usually receive distributions if the property performs as planned, plus a share of profits when the asset is refinanced or sold. It can be a way to access larger properties and diversified strategies without taking on the time commitment of being an active landlord. This is the most passive real estate investment with direct ownership. The next step is we can talk about how real estate investing can create wealth and income to make your life better. Look for the ways to contact me in the description, and let's start the conversation.